So here we start. Good morning, this is Firna Support, and today we are going to know about the Tally Export plugin. The Tally Export plugin is like a bridge between your Tally and the Farina software. So to start using Tally Export, all you need to do is just go upon to the More menu, then the Finance. Under the Finance you would have something called the Tally Export. You can reach it this way, and once you have reached Tally Export, this would be the home page that you would be seeing up. Like any other plugin, here also we need to start up with the settings part. So we would be clicking on the settings first of all, then comes the general settings. Here in general settings, normally what we do is we have Tally as a separate server, and so these server details are to be filled up here regarding as we have our server hosted at 418.org. The URL being is 418.org column 3000. So we have hosted our Tally part here. Tally. So the Tally URL would be http://418.org column 3000, and the live sync start date can be put up as this. So while the Tally export is in action, we have three options here: the live sync, the manual sync, and the bulk sync. In live sync, all of the transactions that would be going up in Farina would be synced directly with that of the with that in the Tally in your Tally account. Moreover, when it comes to manual sync, you can even schedule on what all dates your synchronization has to be carried up. But when it comes to bulk export, you can bulk export all the all the data from Farina to that of the Tally. So basically, in these kinds of synchronization, the basic job that is done is your data is getting copied up from Farina to the Tally account. So the next job would be to go up with the rest part of the things. Here you can see that you have the organizations. So the organization name that you have in Tally must be exactly to the one that you have here. So we have something called Foradian and Farina and DSAS. So we have three accounts or three sheets in Tally where we have the company names of Foradian, Farina and DSAS. So it must be the same that we have put up here. Then comes the voucher types. Here we have put three voucher: payment, receipt, and a test one called RTRTRE. So you can also put the voucher name, but moreover, please make it a point that the voucher name that you have it in your Tally server must be the same as that you are entering here. Then comes the accounts. So here you can create an account and all in each of the accounts that you want. Here if you can create an account, and moreover at a point of time if you want to delete it, then the delete button is here, and you can even click to edit and you can edit the thing. So this was all about the account settings. Then comes the ledger part. Here you have two options of creating ledgers and view ledgers. When you click upon create ledgers, you are supposed to write the name of a ledger, then select the company, the voucher, and the account number, and select transaction categories. Once you have selected transaction category, you are ready to create a new ledger. So moreover, but if you want to view some of the ledgers, you can also do so by using this link from here. View ledgers would let you view all the ledgers of this particular time. So this is the ledger that you can see. Is that monthly salary is one of the ledgers with the company Foradian, and voucher payment and account access. Moreover, after having done all these kinds of settings, now it's job to go upon to the manual sync and see what all are done there. Supposingly, let us say that you want to sync your data from two different points of time. So let us say that I want to sync the data of 6/8/2013 to 6/9/2013. So having scheduled this, all the synchronization would be done from all the data from August 6 to September 6 would be copied from Fedina to the Tally account that you have been using to your server. Moreover, we have a link called the view scheduled jobs. So as we have already explained in other webinars, that scheduled jobs is a part of the Fedina, where we have made space for a lot of heavy data transfers. So whenever there is a lot of heavy traffic into the system or out of the system, we term it as scheduled job, and all the scheduled jobs would be seen in a particular page. So these things are getting queued up. So these things would be getting finished one by one. Being the first one would be given the first preference. So FIFO would be the one that this scheduled job would be following. Having done this, we would be moving upon to the next part of the link called bulk export. In bulk export, we have two things again called the schedule export and the downloads. If you want to schedule an export, you can put the start date and end date and select the ledger for which you want to schedule the export. Then you have something called the downloads here. You can download any pre-schedule. So what in the thing that you can see that I have scheduled a list of things. So this would be available for download here. The next part would be to go upon to the bulk export. The next part will be to go to the failed syncs. So you can see that what all synchronizations has failed till date. So let us say that I am putting a date of September 2012. And typing in the enter would let me know the list of all the failed synchronization. As I can see that none of this synchronization is failed, so I get, if there would be no failed synchronization for the start date till today, then you will get a message called no failed synchronizations to display. So this was all about the Tally export plugin. So now we would be moving forward for all the queries.